Hey, how are you? I'm going to show how you can create campaign inside Dondi. First, you need to come to Dondi and you can go to create campaign, or you can also go to from this left menu bar and click on create campaign from here. First, you need to give a name to the campaign. For example, I am giving this a new year, and from the segment you can select any segment, or if you want you can create a new segmentation, which I will show you in details later. From here you can select any language you want. I'm keeping this as English right now, and here you can see the campaign text. You can customize this as per your requirement, and here this shortcode you should not remove it if you want to show customer's name. If you want to just send the message, you don't want to show the customer's name, you can remove it. In here, like, you can also share image or video. All you need to first upload in content or files, or you can also upload it from here. Like, all you just need to upload the file from here, and then when you upload it you just need to copy the link and you can paste it inside campaigns link. All you just need to paste the link here, so you will see the image here when you paste the link. You can also add video here in the same way. So I'm just showing you how you can add image, and then you will paste your button URL, and we recommend to have this option so customer can stop your automation message. If you remove this, Meta might think that you are spam and it will mark you, so you will not be able to send marketing messages more. So after that you just need to create draft. So your campaign is created successfully, so it's now in pending status, and after some time Meta will approve the template, and then you can either schedule the campaign, you can also edit, you can send yourself a test from here, you can cancel the campaign, you can clone the campaign, or you can also delete it. So the template is approved now. We can either schedule the campaign, and when we try to schedule you will see like how many customers the campaign and what will be the price. We can select the date, any date, and we can select the time from here, and we can schedule it. Also we can send a test to ourselves. We just need to enter the name and give a phone number from here with the country code, and we can also clone the campaign in such a way, and if you want we can also delete the campaign. Once we click delete, the campaign will be deleted. Now I am showing you how you can create segmentation from customers. Go to segments from customers and you can say the create segment. So here you can choose a template or apply a filter. If you click on template, you see like these are the templates. Once you click for all, and you can select any of the template from here, and if you want you can apply a filter. For example, I am trying to set the segment so which I can find the list of customers who did not order for the last 30 days. So I am trying to search last order date, and in the last 30 days there is no order. So once I click on apply filter, and you can see that there is the list. So if as I have no customers, but if you have, you will see the list here, and you can save the segment. So when after creating the segmentations, you go to create campaign, and now you will see the segment in the list. That's how you can create the campaign. Please feel free to ask if you have any more questions. We are always here to help. Thank you.